Welcome to the big, beautiful Bella San Luci kitchen. We have all of our ingredients ready for Chef Leah Lyon's recipe for a Mediterranean twist on a taco. She scored a touchdown. It's the month of February, and let's get cooking. We're gonna get some Bella San Luci bruschetta into our bowl, which is kind of gonna be the dressing, the base of the dressing. Now we're gonna add some thick, rich balsamic vinegar, a touch of lemon zest and lemon juice, and a bit of minced shallot and some salt to marry the flavors, and our mix of romaine and baby spinach. Take that spoon because it'll help to get it all mixed up nice, and the lettuce covered. Okay, that's ready to go, and we will literally set it aside. The next step is to get our chicken going. We're gonna start with our Bella San Luci estate grown olives. Olive oil, prize winning and lots of flavor, and butter, one of my favorite combinations. Let's get that hot. While we're doing that, we're gonna salt the chicken, which we've cut into 1-inch strips, and then we're gonna dredge it in the flour. This helps during the saute process. Saute in French means to jump, but in this case, saute means to cook at high heat so it doesn't stick. We have our oil butter mixture hot. We're gonna knock off some of the excess flour and get it into the hot oil butter mixture. I'm seeing a nice golden brown color happening here, so I'm gonna turn these all over. Nice and calm, one at a time, slowly. We're gonna get both of these sides of this chicken beautifully crispy. Okay, we have golden brown, beautiful chicken on both sides. We're gonna get it onto a plate lined with paper towel, just to get a little bit of the excess oil butter mixture off the chicken itself. There's a lot of crispy crunchies in here that we're going to deglaze with our sun-dried tomato water from the soaking of the tomato basil. So let's do that right away. You can also use white wine for this part if you like. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. And now that that's going, let's get the rest of our ingredients into the pan, okay? Ready? We have lemon juice, so the liquid's cooking. We have capers, and that's why this recipe is called spicy chicken piccata tacos. We have a nice amount of chili paste, Calabrian chili paste. Calabria is in the south of Italy, where they use a lot of spice in their cooking. Now let's add our sun-dried tomatoes. Then we're gonna mix in mascarpone cheese. I'm gonna turn down the flame for this part, and the mascarpone is gonna make a creamy, tomatoey, chili peppery, lemony sauce for the taco meat. Now here comes the lemon zest. Very nice touch, Chef Leah, good job. We have this beautiful spicy piccata sauce. Okay, beautiful. Let's turn that off. Next step, chicken. Let's get chopping safely with the hand this way. Comes the taco meat. It's fine and rough chop. Next step, we're getting our sauce hot again. We're gonna put in our garlic paste. I made this. You can just cook some garlic in water, a little salt, and pound it, puree it, chop it fine. That's the last thing to go in there until we put the chicken. Perfectly browned and cooked. We're gonna stir it up a whole greater than the sum of its parts. Good job, Chef Leah. Okay, next step. Let's get a little olive oil spray in. We're gonna make a Cacio cavallo, which is a kind of an aged mozzarella mixture called Cacio e Pepe. It's very Roman. We're gonna mix together our mozzarella and Parmesan cheeses, add the pepper, and we're gonna make the taco shell out of this. And let's get it into the pan to have it do its thing. It's like a cheese skirt. You can leave the edges rough, and this large pan is gonna fit about 3, so we'll have to make a couple batches to get what we need. Chef Leah's recipe says to cook it on the one side, which will, I think, in the end, help make them more pliable and become a taco shell. Okay, let's get these off the pan and cooked side down onto our cooling rack. Here we go. Remember I said pliable? Watch this. So it folds right into a taco shell. A bit of our spinach, romaine, and sun-dried tomato bruschetta salad. Right on there. The chicken, sun-dried tomato, chili piccata. A little bit onto there. Next, squeeze a lime, which is our own special touch here at Bella San Luci. And there it is, our spicy chicken piccata, Cacio Pepe taco. so good.